Do you want to be my boyfriend? Do you want to be my boyfriend? Oh my god.
Okay, I can hear some. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. He wants... I'm not gonna be your... No! What's up, Fujina?
Do you want to be my boyfriend?
No! I don't want to be your boyfriend!
You're so loud, I like it.
Man, you're so funny.
I want to be your boyfriend.
Oh shit, why? Can we have a girlfriend? No, don't! But why did you kill me, you backstabber?
My boyfriend!
But man, we had the room, we had the bed. We could make love. Why did you kill me?
Oh, you're shaking.
Oh my god, look at that!
Somebody's coming to invade. Coming for us.
Oh my god, kill him! Kill him, motherfucker! Yes, 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 you killed him.
Why do you want to kill me and my boyfriend?
Shit, guys, that was unbelievable, guys. Man, I'm a streamer too, my man. I'm a streamer too.
Come to my...
Oh my god, I died, man. That was so funny. But man, I got the room. We got the bed. We could do. We
Yes,
could.
we got the room. We're now together forever, okay?
Yeah, you been forever together, like.
Oh, let me come to you, boy.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Oh, nice kisses, yeah.
Oh, you disappeared.
You fucking necrophile. Oh shit.
You disappeared.
Okay.